My name is Matt Parr. I run 12 different YouTube channels without ever even showing my face on the majority of them. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you the smart way to make money on YouTube without making videos from day one, meaning that you have the potential of making money with this before ever getting monetized or having to worry about any of that. And if you don't know, most channels have to wait 4,000 hours of watch time and get 1,000 subscribers in order to monetize their content. I don't want you guys to have to wait. I want you to have the potential of making money from day one with this unique method. It's honestly crazy to me how a lot of people overlook this method. I don't blame them though, because when I first started on YouTube, I did as well. But let's get straight into it. Step number one, choose your niche. And this is one of the most crucial steps in this, because we need to choose a niche based on if this will work within a certain category of content. I'm gonna try to give you as much value as I can in as little amount of time. So here's a list of the best niches on YouTube. And feel free to screenshot this, pause it right here if you ever need to refer back to this. And then here is a list of the highest CPM niches on YouTube that make more money per 1,000 views on average than other niches. And if you plan on using this method of making money on YouTube from day one, from the start, I would recommend the Make Money Online niche or the health niche. Step number two is then to plan your content. Super simple to do. You just need about 30 video ideas, and I recommend getting half of those ideas from already popular videos. Just search them up on YouTube, see what comes up, sort the videos by the most popular uploaded within the past 6 months, and then just take note at all the video ideas that have over 100,000 views on them. Get 15 of those, and then for your remaining 15 video ideas, go to a tool like vidIQ, search your niche, and take note of those top keywords. And then search those keywords on YouTube to see how you could integrate them into a video idea. And make sure that the video ideas you're modeling have over 100,000 views. Step number three is setting up your channel. Super simple to do. Make a YouTube account. If you're watching this, you probably already have a Google account. Making a channel is very easy. I have a video going over all the crucial steps with doing this and all the key optimization features that most people miss. If you just go in and do that, you'll have a well-optimized channel. Super simple to do. You could set it up in 10, 20 minutes. And for the logo and channel art, you can simply use a program called Snappa. They have tons of built-in templates. Step number four is generating content. And this is a part where a lot of people get hung up, but I want to make this as simple as I possibly can for you. So if you're going to be doing stock-based content, so channels like Brainy Dose or Body Hub do a lot of this, or even World According to Briggs, which is a travel channel that gets millions of views per month, all of these channels use a lot of stock clips throughout their content. And you can look into websites like storyblocks.com, which offers unlimited stock content at a low monthly price, and that's what I personally use. But if you don't want to pay any money at first, you can also look into pixabay.com and Pexels, which are completely free, but a little bit more limited in the scope of the content you can get. And then for editing your videos, here's a list of all of the best video editors for editing stock content together. You can also even use editors like InVideo or Veed.io, which have tons of stock content built into them. So if you sign up for one of those websites that are online video editors, you can have the stock content baked in and easy to add to your videos. But there are other ways of generating content. For example, you can create whiteboard animation videos, and software like VideoScribe are really good for that. If you're doing animated videos, you can look into software like Animaker. And if you're doing content following fair use where you use videos from YouTube, you can use basically any of those free editors. Here they are again up on the screen right here. And for thumbnails, my recommendation is using snappa.com due to the fact that they have tons of different thumbnail templates. Now that being said, if you have more money than time, then you can potentially look into places like upwork.com where you can hire people to make the videos for you. And right now I'm well past that point, so I'm hiring people to make the videos on all of my different YouTube channels, and that's how I'm concurrently running all of those channels. I have tons of videos here on my channel of how to essentially create a video creation assembly line to get people to do each of these steps of the process for you. Step number four is actually the secret step that is going to allow you to have the potential of making money on YouTube from day one. And this is a step that so many people overlook, and that is pairing your channel with a high payout commission product. You might be saying, Matt, what did you just say there? A high payout commission product is a digital product that you can find on websites like Digistore24 or clickbank.com. Sign up to either one of those websites, go to their affiliate marketplace, click the promote button next to the product that is related to your niche. These are products that you can promote, and for every sale that you get a percentage of that sale. And my recommendation to you is to choose products that you would get at least a $250 to $500 commission from. So For example, if you're promoting a $1,000 digital course, like for example, my course 2 Mastering Monetization is on there and we give 50% of that, then you would make $500 per sale, and that checks off that box. They might be saying, Matt, how would this allow me to make way more than most people? Well, think about this for a second. Even if you do everything wrong on your channel, even if you barely even get a couple thousand views per month on your channel, you could still potentially get some affiliate sales and make some decent money from that by promoting one of these products. And that's why it's so crucial that we choose a great niche where there are these products in, and that's why it's so good that you're watching this video right here. And for example, if you get just 20 sales per month and you get a $500 commission on each of those sales, you're making $10,000 per month. And there's channels out there, like one of my students, Kari, he's only getting 60 to 100,000 views a month on his channel, and he's making over 10,000 a month off of very cheap software that he promotes within his videos that he gets a recurring commission on. So he's not even primarily doing high payout partner products. He's getting a little bit more into that now, but you can just imagine the potential for this. For example, if you make a video about weight loss, throw in an affiliate link to a weight loss supplement, and boom, you'll make money for every sale that you refer. But like I said, the best types of products are going to be digital products that give you a high amount per sale, because then the manufacturer doesn't have to pay for the fulfillment of that product and it can get delivered automatically. It's a win-win-win for everybody, and that's why I suggest high payout commission products from places like ClickBank or Digistore. Step number 5 then is to upload your videos and start earning money. Once you have your videos ready, you got your affiliate product that you've signed up for to promote, you've got your magic link, so anytime someone clicks through that link and buys, you'll get a commission from it. And by the way, if you're using Digistore to promote a link, make sure that you copy that link, put it in an incognito browser, go all the way through to the checkout page of that link, and make sure that in the bottom corner is your affiliate ID. That will mean that your link is working and you're ready to get started doing this. And I recommend choosing a consistent schedule to upload videos on. One of the best is simply 3 videos per week, but if you want, you can even take this to the next level, do daily videos. But really a minimum of 3 videos per week in the beginning is more than adequate. And most of the time, 30 to 60 videos will be enough for the algorithm to start picking up your channel. So if you're going to do this, make sure you stick with this for the long run and you upload a minimum of 30 to 60 videos. Trust me, it's so worth it. And the epic thing about YouTube is that your videos can live on forever, they can keep getting views forever, and you can potentially make money for as long as you're getting views. And for example, you could be traveling, sleeping, doing whatever with your life and potentially still making money. Like right now, I'm sitting here on a vacation in Costa Rica. I just went ziplining yesterday, and all the while I'm getting views on my YouTube videos, making money from ad revenue there, making money from promoting my high commission payout products. And the fact that you can make money from day one is really what makes this so amazing. And then step number 6 for doing this, to take this to the next level, is to optimize based off of your analytics. Very easy to do. Just look at audience retention graphs on your videos, see when they peak and see when they go down, and then cut out whatever you're doing when they go down, and when they go up, try to repeat that in as many of your future videos as possible. And just imagine if you just continually improved your channel over and over and just made it better and better, and every new batch of 30 videos are just getting better and better based off of these analytics. You can just imagine where you could be in 6 months to a year from now. And then for click-through rate, all you simply have to do, see your channel's average click-through rate after you upload 30 to 60 videos, and then write that down. Let's say it's 5%. Every new video that you upload, see what the click-through rate is within the first couple days. If it's lower than your channel average, so in this case lower than 5%, then you swap it out for a different thumbnail, modeling what's already working. And if you just repeat this process over and over, I'm telling you, your channel is likely going to do very well. Now here's a few bonus tips that will allow you to do this correctly and not fall into the common pitfalls that a lot of people do. Tip 1, give value. A lot of people do this, but they just post spammy content out there and they're not actually giving any value to anybody. Remember, value can be either educational or entertainment value. And it's very easy to give a ton of value to your audience. All you have to do, take a look at the top 3 videos that are out there on an individual subject, take the best points from each video to implement into your own script, and then your video will by definition be the most valuable because you're taking the best parts of each video. How do you find the best parts? Look at the comment sections of those videos, see what people are talking about that they liked the absolute most, and make sure to go all in on those parts. Tip 2, choose an expensive affiliate product. Do not promote something from the Amazon affiliate program where you're gonna make a couple dollars per sale. I want you to make big money doing this, so make sure to promote something where you're gonna get a payout of $250 to $500 per sale. Tip 3, have realistic expectations. Most people quit doing this within their first 10 videos because they expect that they're going to automatically make $1 million overnight. That does not happen. Make sure to be committed to doing this and make sure to promise yourself that you're going to upload 30 to 60 videos on a new channel. I've had a lot of my channels fail because I've quit on them too early, and all of my channels that have succeeded, I've stayed consistent on, and those are the ones that are making me money regularly. So if you're going to do this, write yourself a promise that you're going to upload 30 to 60 videos. I believe in you and I know you got this. Just remember to do that. Tip 4, look at what your competitors are doing. You don't have to guess when it comes to doing YouTube. You can simply model what has already worked and just make it better and better. And don't worry about how much competition there is out there. You can always get a ton of views in almost any niche as long as your videos are better than the majority that are out there. And again, we talked about how to make our videos better, to do better in the algorithm, make them more valuable, make them better, optimize them, and have fantastic titles and thumbnails. And tip 5, do not give up when it comes to doing this. Some of the biggest YouTubers out there have had to upload hundreds of videos to get huge success on YouTube, so do not give up if you are going to do this. And if you're excited about doing this, remind yourself that even if times are tough, even if you upload a couple and you don't succeed right away, trust me, from the bottom of my heart, I'm telling you this, it is worth it. And this is coming from somebody who was a broke high schooler just a couple years ago to being able to travel the world, do whatever I want with my time, having time and location and financial freedom. It's such an incredible blessing, and I just want to share that with you here today in this video. And now if you're ready to get started doing this and you want to see what the best niches to do this in are, check out this video next to me right here. It will show you the best niches to do this in, and I'll show you example channels, exactly how they're generating videos and everything. Check it out. My name is Matt Parr. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you got a ton of value from this, and I'll see you there.